Whoa, Blake, ready to go fishing? Ready to go fishing? Okay, let's go. Welcome back to Core Fishing, guys. I'm your host, Joe, out here today at the Lake Tahoe Trout Farm. We're actually ending vacation. I'm out here taking my son fishing. Hopefully catch some trout. If you've never been out here, it's a pretty well-stocked little trout pond out here. You can take a look. Plenty of trout all over the place. The goal today is to get my son on a trout. Maybe mommy will catch some and daddy will too. Hope you guys enjoy the video, guys. Remember, as always, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is what we got today. My son's little Paw Patrol spin cast rod with a little power bait jig and a bobber. That's all we need. All right, Blake, ready to go fishing? You fish with mommy. Okay, Blake. Here you go. They hold it. Ready? They hold it. Ready? They ready? They ready? Oh, they got one. Oh, they got fishy. Oh, got off? Yeah. It's okay.
Let's try again. No. Let's try again. Let's try again. Ready? Throw it, Daddy. Ready, throw it.
Press it, you hold it. Here we go. Okay.
Ready again?
Okay, here. They ready? They ready to catch fish? Oh, they got one. Blake and mommy fishing. Well, I actually forgot my poles, so I'm gonna use my son's fishing pole while he's out at the car. Gonna try to catch some trout. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Big old beautiful lightning trout on the little Paw Patrol pole, because you know, I've got my pole on that little mini jig. First one. This place, in case you guys don't know, is every fish you catch you guys have to keep. So we're gonna keep this guy for dinner. Nice one. Here, right here. Fish, ready? Here. You got this. Reel.
This is a real good one.
Look, got one.
Is this a Maverick?
Yeah.
Oh, Blake got one, look. Oh, look, they got fishing. Over here. Over here. Look. Look, they got fishing. Oh. Real. Whoa. Whoa. You ready? Whoa!
Another one. Look. Another one.
Oh. It's okay. Look. You see a fishy? You see fishy? Alright, guys.
Reeling it slow.
Blake's fish. Blake, look. Oh, look. You see the little rainbow trout?
Wow. Touch fishy.
Touch.
Touch fishy.
You scared? Oh, Blake's scared?
Oh, already.
Well, you want the camera? Okay.
Come on.
Come on.
Fishy.
Look, fishy. Ready? Oh, hand. Here, pull. Ready? Here, pull. Ready? Oh! You got one. Ooh. Ooh, they got one. Real. They got one.
Whoa!
They got one. Real. Oh, they got one. You see fishy? You see fishy? Oh, they got one. Oh, you're pressing the button. That's what's happening.
He keeps pressing the button.
Yeah, I was like, why isn't it really? Blake pressing the button.
Wow!
Fishy? Whoa.
Sorry, I get the net, but
It's okay. Woo! Look, I caught a fish.
wow!
You see a fish? Want to touch? Touch. There you go. Okay, look. Look. Ooh, Blake caught a fishy. Wow. A little scared? Blake caught one. A little scared. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Blake with a nice little rainbow trout.
Yeah.
I was thinking like, why is this thing not reeling in? Blake was squeezing his
I'm
butt.
interested in the fish. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Blake, go. Blake, go.
You recording me?
Yeah. Yay! Yay!
There's a little fisherman in the making right here. Look, there's plenty of trout in here. Catching isn't really the problem, it's just taking your time and enjoying the moment out here. Over here you got the whopper pond. These are some really big trout. I'm guessing in the 4 to 6, 8 pound class range. There's some pretty big fish.
Oh, there
Oh no, funny. Okay, ready to catch fish? Okay, let's catch fish. You're so funny, Blake. Okay, ready? Here, ready? Ready?
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Fish 좋아하는데, 민지?
Yeah, I did. Didn't catch that far. Earlier, I was so confused on why I couldn't reel it in. Okay, ready? Oh, you got one already. Oh, you got one. Reel. 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 Oh, look, they got fishy. Reel. 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 Woo! Oh, wanna see? He's like right here. Yay! Look at that, guys. Another nice little rainbow trout. Blake doesn't really know what's going on, but he's out here fishing. That's the point. Touch. Oh.
Whoa!
Wanna try to touch again? He got scared by a little flop. All right, Mommy and Blake's turn. Oh, Mommy already got one. Blake. Blake's over here just playing with the net the whole time. He'll learn what he's doing eventually. Look at that, Mommy got one. Woo! Mommy got one. Mommy got one.
Fishy. Come on. Fishy.
Cheese. Right there. Whoa!
Oh. Fishy.
Lake's all fishy? Let's dump this guy out. Let y'all dump him out. All right. Nice little one right here. It's hooked good, so I'm gonna get it out first. No, it's okay. I want you and Blake. Blake, go mommy. Ooh. Baby got one. Woo!
Oh my God, it's going.
Whoa! Look how fishy. Look how fishy. Oh, there you get the net. Oh, it broke. Okay, all done.
Biến đầu nè.
I see him.
You don't see it swinging?
You want to touch the camera, Blake? Okay, you and Mom.
Oh, fishy. Look, fishy. Like, fishy.
Whoa, fishy. Whoa! This one's bigger than Blake. Alright guys, check it out.
Sorry, Blake.
Nice. Big old rainbow trout. Blake, you scared? It's bigger than you, huh? Nice rainbow trout, guys, on that mini jig. Nice. Well, guys, that ends our video. We were out here at the trout farm. It was a fun time. We caught some fish. Mommy caught some fish. Blake caught some fish. He still has no idea what he's doing, but he was out here having fun, a little scared. Look at him. He's still over here waiting. Blake.
You need to be careful, Blake.
There's our catches, guys. A lot of fish, a lot of fun. Say bye-bye, Blake.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.